Hello YouTube, welcome to another video on the Fix Kids channel, and today I'm here to show you some of the new features on iOS 14.5. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As you can see in the settings, I already have iOS 14.5 Beta 3 downloaded. So the biggest new feature is to be able to unlock your phone using an Apple Watch while wearing a mask. As you can see, I've just done it myself. And this feature is very useful, especially during a pandemic like now. So, in iOS 14.5, there are over 200 new emojis to choose from. For example, there's a fiery heart, a heart that's been fixed, a bearded man, a man feeding their baby, and you can even customize the skin tones of different couple emojis. Another new feature is the added support for PS5 and Xbox Series S and X controllers, which is a feature that you could have done with previous gen controllers, but now you can do it with the next gen consoles, which means you can now enjoy gaming on the go with the new controllers. Now we're going to show you how to get the iOS 14.5 beta. First, you want to search up iOS 14.5 beta download in your browser. Next, you want to click the link called Beta Profiles. Then you want to choose the beta version that you want, iOS 14. It will take you down, and all you click is download. Click Accept, and then you can click Allow. This will download a configuration profile onto your settings. So once you get into settings, it will show up with configuration profile. All you have to do is click that, click Accept and install, and then you can go into your settings and download it from there.